Stop worrying about getting fired. That's not the real danger. The real danger? Becoming irrelevant. Most people think AI will replace them. No, AI replaces average, and average is everywhere. Average designers, average writers, average analysts. And companies don't pay for average anymore. Right now, one skilled person using AI can do the work of 5 normal employees. Think about that. If you were a CEO, would you pay 5 salaries or 1 smart operator? This shift isn't emotional, it's mathematical. Here's what's scary. You won't get a warning. No announcement, no dramatic speech. Just role restructured, position redundant, operational efficiency. Clean words, brutal meaning. But here's the truth nobody says loudly. AI is not the enemy. Stagnation is. The people who learn AI will multiply their income. The people who ignore it will compete with it. And humans lose that battle. Every revolution deletes one class and creates another. Employees disappear, operators rise. The question isn't, will AI take jobs? The question is, will you evolve fast enough? This is Income Explained,